The zeros of cubic polynomial are a minus b, a plus b. You have to find the values of a and b, children. Children, you can see there are two variables which are unknown. Two unknowns are there with us, right? So for two unknowns, we can use two equations. We have three relations with us: sum of zeros, sum of pairwise product, and the product. So in तीन में से any two we can use. What do you think, children? Which two relations will be easier for us to use? Sum, sum of pairwise product, and product. Out of these three, if we have three zeros like alpha, beta, gamma, these are the three relations with us. Which one you think will be convenient for us to use?
Sum of zeros and product of zeros.
Sum and zeros.
Sum of zeros and product.
These two look simpler and will help us find the values of A and B. Children, why I am saying two relations? Because we have to find just two unknowns here, which are A and B, right? So first of all, I know the sum of zeros, which is given by, we have sum of zeros given by what? Minus coefficient of x square divided by coefficient of x cube. Okay? That is, now what is sum of zeros, children? What are the zeros given to us? A minus B, A, and A plus B. These are the three zeros given to us. And this should be equal to this minus of the formula. And what is coefficient of x square, beta?
Minus
3.
Minus 3. And coefficient of x cube?
1.
Nothing. 1. Right. Now, if we solve this side, minus b and plus b will get. So a plus a plus a. How much it is?
3a.
3a.
3. So what is the value of a, children?
1.
1.
So we have got one value from the sum of zeros. Now we are left with b. So we also know that product of zeros is equal to constant term divided by coefficient of x cube. So this means, beta, product of zeros means a minus b into a plus b. And the constant term here is, what is the constant term?
1.
1.
1.
So 1. Now a minus b into a plus b becomes
A square minus
A square minus B square.
B square.
So this is a into a square minus b square, which is equal to 1. And also, beta, the value of a is 1. We have calculated a as 1. So in place of a, I will be writing 1 into 1 square minus b square is equal to 1. Which gives me 1 into anything is same thing. Now 1 square is 1. 1 minus b square is equal to 1. Taking this one this side. So this gives you minus b square.
मैम माइनस कांस्टेंट टर्म होगा मैम माइनस कांस्टेंट
Yes. See, this is how we can cross check our answers. Since we are getting a wrong answer, so we should cross check. It should be 0. So -1 and -1 makes it -2. Now minus and minus will get cancelled from both the sides. So we get b square is equal to
2.
Ma'am, 2.
and this gives me the value of b as
Root 2.
Root 2. 2.
root
Under root 2.
beta. In fact, it should be plus minus root 2. Why? Let me explain it to you. If you have the value of b as root 2, what will be b square?
2.
If you have value
Ma'am, 2.
2.
2, and if you have value of b as minus root 2, then also the square of b will be
2.
2. है ना? If you take minus root 2 square or you take root 2 square, in both the case the answer will be 2. So when we are given that b square is equal to 2, we do not know whether b is plus root 2 or minus root 2, so both the values will be taken. So here we get a equal to 1 and b equal plus minus root 2. Okay.